The A-4 Skyhawk was designed and built by the Douglas Aircraft Company of the United States, under the leadership of legendary aircraft designer Ed Hindman. It was conceived in the early 1950s as a lightweight, highly efficient attack aircraft for the U.S. Navy and U.S. Marine Corps. The design work formally began around 1952, and the prototype first flew on June 22, 1954. Full-scale manufacturing started in the mid-1950s, with the aircraft officially entering U.S. Navy service in 1956. Later, after Douglas merged with McDonnell Aircraft in 1967, production and support came under McDonnell Douglas. One of the most remarkable aspects of the A-4 Skyhawk was its simplicity and compact size. It was so small that it did not require folding wings to operate from aircraft carriers, a rare feature for a carrier-based jet. This design philosophy reduced weight, maintenance complexity, and cost, while still delivering impressive performance for its time. The A-4 Skyhawk participated in a large number of wars, conflicts, and military operations across several decades, making it one of the most combat-proven jet attack aircraft in history. Its first major combat use came during the Vietnam War, where it was extensively flown by both the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Marine Corps. In Vietnam, Skyhawks conducted thousands of sorties, including close air support, strike missions against ground targets, armed reconnaissance, and attacks on enemy infrastructure. The aircraft also played a role in the Gulf of Tonkin incident in 1964, one of the early flashpoints of the war. Beyond Vietnam, the A-4 saw combat service with several other nations. Israeli A-4s were heavily used during the War of Attrition, the Yom Kippur War in 1973, and later conflicts in the Middle East. Argentine Navy and Air Force A-4 Skyhawks were used during the 1982 Falklands War, where they achieved notable success against British naval forces despite facing advanced air defenses. The aircraft also took part in conflicts involving countries such as Kuwait, Indonesia, and others, making its operational combat history truly global rather than limited to a single theater. Originally, the primary role of the A-4 Skyhawk was that of a carrier-based light attack aircraft. It was designed to deliver conventional and nuclear weapons from U.S. Navy aircraft carriers, replacing larger and more expensive attack aircraft of the post-World War II era. Its small size, agility, and strong payload-to-weight ratio made it ideal for strike missions against ground and sea targets. Over time, however, the role of the A-4 evolved significantly. As newer and more advanced aircraft entered service, the Skyhawk was adapted for additional missions. It became widely used for close air support, providing direct assistance to ground troops, especially in jungle and mountainous environments like Vietnam. The aircraft was also modified for air defense training, serving as an adversary or aggressor aircraft due to its excellent maneuverability and relatively small radar signature. In this role, it helped train U.S. and Allied fighter pilots by simulating enemy aircraft in air combat exercises. Additionally, two-seat variants such as the TA-4 were developed for advanced pilot training, further extending the aircraft's usefulness well beyond its original strike mission. As technology advanced, the A-4 Skyhawk underwent numerous upgrades and modifications. Early versions were relatively simple, relying on basic avionics and manual flight controls. Later variants introduced improved engines, better navigation and attack systems, strengthened airframes, and the ability to carry a wider range of modern weapons. Export versions were often customized to meet the specific needs of foreign air forces, incorporating locally preferred avionics and weapon systems. Despite its modest size, the Skyhawk proved capable of carrying a surprisingly heavy weapons load, including bombs, rockets, missiles, and external fuel tanks, making it highly flexible in combat operations. Its durability and ease of maintenance were especially valued by smaller air forces that needed reliable aircraft with limited logistical resources. The service history of the A-4 Skyhawk is long and distinguished. In U.S. service, it served prominently from the mid-1950s through the early 1970s as a frontline attack aircraft, after which it was gradually replaced by more modern platforms such as the A-6 Intruder and later multirole fighters. Even after its frontline retirement, the Skyhawk continued to serve for decades in training, reserve, and aggressor roles. The U.S. Navy's famous Blue Angels flight demonstration team flew the A-4 Skyhawk from 1974 to 1986, showcasing the aircraft's agility and reliability to millions of spectators around the world. Internationally, the aircraft's service life was even longer. Many countries continued operating upgraded A-4 variants well into the 1990s and 2000s, with some air forces using them for training and secondary combat roles into the 21st century. In summary, the A-4 Skyhawk stands out as one of the most successful and influential jet attack aircraft ever built by the United States. Designed by Douglas Aircraft Company in the early 1950s and entering service in 1956, it combined simplicity, affordability, and combat effectiveness in a way few aircraft have matched. It took part in numerous wars and conflicts, including Vietnam, Middle Eastern wars, and the Falklands War, proving its value under intense combat conditions. Its original role as a carrier-based attack aircraft expanded over time to include close air support, training, and adversary duties. With a service history spanning more than half a century across multiple continents, the A-4 Skyhawk earned a lasting reputation as a tough, versatile, and highly respected aircraft in military aviation history.